Okay. Yes, good morning. So yes, nandito ako ngayon sa may Jalan Petaling, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So it's so sad to hear those people, that expat, that they are already years by years staying in this country, but no one get them or bring them back to Manila, Philippines, or in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and international. So it's so sad to hear those people, because some of those people have no complete documents or any documents to travel in Philippines, even though the Malaysia is near to Philippines now. They need the documents that they are the one person holding their own identification. So that's the problem right now. So there's a lady talking to me about that, and she is so shy and scared to talk about those happen. And even there's a Philippine embassy here in Malaysia, they don't have power to do something to clean those mess for those people who stay here and not to be homeless and go back to Philippines and do the best thing to their life and to be a rich to their own country. So that's happening right now. So ayun, so I want to be rich, I want to be famous, I want to be 1 million play button in YouTube, and no, I'm not cultivated like a cactus here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So not me. So right now, I go to other state. I go to Penang, and Penang to Pattaya, to Thailand, and Thailand to Manila, Philippines. The problem is there's no Philippine Airlines going down to the airport here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I know there's a happening between the nation or the country and to all travel and expat and travel business and ticketing or getting ticket to go in other places or other countries. So I just wanna do an explanation about it. So yun, gusto ko lang i-explain talaga. And some of those people have no diploma or not yet going to university or not experienced the elementary, high school, and college to their life, and they're already into the near part of their death life. So wag kayong mamatay na walang pinag-aralan at ignorante. So ayun, so ngayon I civilize myself and educate myself and be a good manner and not talk about anything about the allegation between the Asian nation. So ayun, so ngayon papunta na ako sa boundary ng Penang, and Penang to Pattaya, Thailand, and Thailand to Philippines, because there's no straight flight to Malaysia, to Philippines right now. So I holding my own identification, and I'm legally not commit any illegal crime into my whole life. I'm honest and I have faith in God, and I'm so faithful, and don't make problem with me. So yeah, there's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always, everyone. Ayusin nyo mga papeles nyo para makauwi kayo na maayos sa Pilipinas at hindi kayo dediretso sa deportation. So yun ang ayusin nyo. Kung saan man kayo ngayon, from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and international, wag nyo ngayahan na magiging kolorom at none of identification, or magiging vigilant or vigilante kayo, or tatargeting kayo mga taong yun para maging vigilant. So no, don't commit any crime. So yeah, just friends and love and peace to the world.